This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Sue Straw. Adorable Fairfield Glade Home. 1,314 SF 3-bedroom/2 bath open floor plan, covered deck, ensuite master, walk-in closet, GBL/vanity and easy step shower. Hardwood, tile and carpet flooring. Utility room, popular covered deck and 2-car attached garage complete this home. Must see, it will sell quickly. Natural gas available. For more information, review the details below or contact Sue Straw at 931-707-2100.